Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy cloud storage solutions with Google Drive, full guide step by step clearly. To deploy cloud storage solutions with Google Drive, start by ensuring you have a Google account. If you don't have one, go to the Google sign up page and create an account. Once your account is ready, visit drive.google.com to access Google Drive. You will be greeted with a clean interface, showcasing your storage space. Familiarize yourself with the layout, which includes the left sidebar and the main files area. To upload files, click on the plus new button located in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, choose File Upload or Folder Upload, depending on your needs. Browse your computer for the files or folders you wish to upload, and select them. Watch as the upload progress is displayed in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once the upload completes, your files will appear in your Google Drive. To organize your files, consider creating folders. Click the plus new button again and select Folder. Name your folder and click Create. Now, you can drag and drop files into this folder for better organization. To share files with others, right-click on the file or folder you wish to share. Select Share from the context menu that appears. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. You can also set permissions by clicking on the drop-down menu next to their email addresses. Choose whether they can view, comment, or edit the files. After setting permissions, click Send to notify them via email. To access Google Drive on mobile, download the Google Drive app from the App Store or Google Play. Log in with your Google account to access your files on the go. You can upload, share, and organize files directly from your mobile device. To ensure your data is secure, consider enabling two-factor authentication for your Google account. Regularly review your shared files and folders to manage access permissions effectively. For additional features, explore Google Drive's integration with Google Workspace tools like Docs, Sheets, and Slides. This allows for seamless collaboration and real-time editing with team members. Lastly, familiarize yourself with Google Drive storage limits and upgrade your plan if necessary for more space. This comprehensive approach ensures you are set up for efficient use of cloud storage with Google Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.